Gorilla Chair!
Hi there! Did you realize that the world is full of cardboard boxes wanting to become something? So let's grab one and make it into an animal. Hey Box, did you ever want to sit down and chill with the gorilla?
Yeah! I love those giant fur balls!
Well then, let's make a gorilla chair. But first, we'll make a work drawing. Close up the box and glue down the flaps before we start. Now we can draw. Imagine a sharp-edged, box-shaped chair. We'll need feet, nose, eyes, head, mouth and hands, nostrils and fur. And that makes a great gorilla chair. First, we need to shape the box. Get the ruler and draw some straight lines parallel to the edges. Your box will probably be a different size than this one, so you don't need my measurements. Just follow the general shape I'm drawing on my box. It'll be fine. Carry on with the other side, like this. Your box should look like this before moving on to the next stage.
Cut!
Get a grown-up to help you. Cut along these red lines and then fold the cardboard in. Fold the cardboard in neatly to make your seat in the middle of the box. But before you glue, you'll need a smaller box inside, about the same height as the seat. This will support the seat and make it stronger when you sit on it. Spread some glue across the top and press the seat down. Also, use some sticky tape to hold it in place. Now, we need side panels for the chair. Get a piece of cardboard and mark up a shape roughly the same as the side of the seat. Here's one I've already cut out. It fits perfectly, but I have to admit, it took a bit of fine-tuning to get it right. You can then use it as a template to make the other one. Whew, much easier. They're pretty easy to glue on. Spread some glue along all the edges. And it's totally fine to make a bit of mess here, because it can be quite tricky to get glue along an edge like this. After the side panels are glued on, it's smart to use some sticky tape to keep them in place. Put some sticky tape along the front of the seat as well, making it stronger. Then we prepare the parts before we stick them on. Draw these extra parts on a piece of cardboard. First, 2 feet with toes. Then a big round head. Now, go over all the pencil lines with a marker pen. And some cute little toenails if you like. Here are the parts cut out and ready to glue onto the chair. First the big head. Next, put some glue on the feet and stick them under the chair like this. Here's another chair, all ready and dry. Ready for the next stage.
I still can't see the gorilla. Where are you going to stick them?
You gotta trust me. I'm the world's best cartoonist.
Draw!
And now for the big moment. We'll draw the gorilla onto the cardboard chair. Start by drawing 2 eyes close to the top of the box. Between the eyes, draw a big nose with 2 huge nostrils. Some rings under the eyes. And then the mouth. Let's put 3 teeth inside the mouth. And a tongue poking out of the corner. On the side of the chair, draw some arms and hands. Finally, get your marker pen and scribble all over the chair so you know where all the black fur should be. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, Einstein! You're a magician! Paint!
Let's paint it up. I start with pure clean white. White paint has a good contrast with the brown box color and helps lighten up the gorilla, which otherwise is quite dark. Some bright red for the tongue. Then mix some water with white and red paint to make this bright, semi-transparent color for the upper lip. Smudge it a bit to blend with the cardboard brown. Now mix a thin, transparent red-orange for the nose and upper lip. And now for the main color, black. Masses of black fur all over. Just go for it. Haha, loads to do. When the paint has dried, add some yellow over the white in the eyes. But hold on, this one hasn't dried. Here's another gorilla, already painted and dry. Aha, check it out! With the shiny spot on the tongue, nose, eyes, and so on. Pretty awesome, huh? Totally King Kong!
Now it looks totally real!
Let's watch it again. First, draw the lines to cut along. Then, fold in the seat and add the smaller box to support you when you sit on the chair. Glue the whole thing shut. Next, make the side panels, glue them on, and tape it all up. Then, make the feet and head, and glue them to the chair. Carry on by drawing the gorilla onto the chair bit by bit, before finishing up by painting the whole thing in nice, lively colors. You can also turn your gorilla chair into a gorilla bed. Lay out a bunch of boxes in front of the gorilla chair. Paint them black, throw on a mattress, pillow, and duvet. Box, help me out here. I need some more ideas.
Sure! You can use the same method to make other animal furniture, such as this elegant leopard picture frame with 4 pictures in it. This cuddly bear bedside table. Or this awesome chicken wall clock. Yep, boxed it again.
Hey, Box, do you want to try to sit in the chair?
Sure.
Alrighty. Here we go. Yeah, nice and tight. There. There are thousands of ways you can box yourself. Just use your imagination. Yeah, are you comfortable? Okay, good. Nice. All right. Yeah.
Box yourself.
Look at all these things! I've made all of them! I can't stop myself! Please, I need help! I need help! Push the subscribe button and they are all yours!